everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 904 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out a product from my July 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. This is from Makiage. It's the Color Boss Multi-Dimensional Eye Color. And the shade that I got is called Eyes on the Prize. And as always, I'll have my unboxing video of my July 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box linked in the description down below if you want to see it. But so this is an expensive eyeshadow in my opinion, and it even looks like it based off the packaging. But this has a retail value of $29 just for this eyeshadow single. But I like the brand Makiage. It definitely is a bit pricier though. But oh my gosh, I can't get over this beautiful packaging. I'm really intrigued to feel the texture of this because it says it's supposed to have a creamy texture, liquid blendability, and powder finish. Let's find out. Ooh, this does have a really creamy texture. And oh my gosh, does this look metallic and pigmented. Whoa. That is very impressive. Seriously, I would basically classify this as a cream eyeshadow. It is that creamy of a texture. And so it just gives full opaque pigment in such a beautiful bronzy gold shade. I love the sheen of it. I love a metallic eyeshadow. So this looks beautiful. That is so fully pigmented that I don't think I'm gonna need an eyeshadow primer with this, but I'm still gonna try it with and without an eyeshadow primer because why not? But first off, I'm curious if I can blend this out with a brush to make it less of like a full opaque color like how I swatched it and have it just be more of a blended diffused shimmer. So I'm picking up a fluffy crease brush. Even just trying to pick up the product right now, it's kind of just coming off as glitter pieces. So I don't know if this will really work. Oh yeah, it kind of works. Kind of shears out the pigment and shimmer. This probably wouldn't be my go-to use for it, just because I want this eyeshadow to shine and be its full pigment potential. But when I try out a new eyeshadow single, I like to try out the different application techniques anyways. And I'm impressed by how you can blend it out and shear it out with a brush. But so I'm gonna go ahead and take my Zoeva Eyeshadow Fix in Matte. I love this eyeshadow primer. I have a whole dedicated video on this Zoeva eyeshadow primer that I can have linked in the description down below as well if you want more information on that. But so I'm just picked up a little bit on my finger and I'm gonna apply this all over just one of my eyelids, and we'll see if it makes any difference in how this eyeshadow applies and looks. Okay, while I wait for this eyeshadow primer on that eye to set, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up with my finger the eyeshadow and apply it all over my eyelid without the primer. And oh my gosh, do you see how bright and metallic and foiled this looks? Wow, it seriously looks like I have melted golden metal on my eyelid. It is so bright and shiny and so opaque. Wow. That is so pretty. I love that. I feel like that really brings out the more light green, golden, yellow tones in my eyes. Like this eye looks more yellow than this one because of the eyeshadow just really enhancing the color. I love that effect. And it's just so pretty on the eye. I feel like this shade, it's a little too yellow orangey for me to wear as an all over one color eyeshadow, But this incorporated with other colors is going to be amazing. I'm definitely going to do that in my full face makeup tutorial that I'll be doing very soon using all of my Ipsy products if you want to see this eyeshadow used with other colors. But now let's see how it is on the eye with the primer. Wow. It is definitely bright and pigmented. It really might be even brighter and more pigmented and metallic on the eye with the primer. I didn't even think that was possible. The difference is very subtle, and you'll have to kind of excuse how messy the application is. It always gets on my under eye when I apply it with my finger. But we're just kind of looking at the eyelid to look at how the eyeshadow looks. It's barely noticeable that it looks a little bit brighter on the eye with the eyeshadow primer, to the point where I don't even really think an eyeshadow primer is necessary with this formula. But if I'm just being really picky and paying really close attention, I do feel like this looks the slightest bit brighter and more metallic. Wow. This is seriously so pretty. I just love metallic makeup in general, and it really does feel so comfortable on my eyelid. It was so quick and easy to apply. I love applying eyeshadows like this with my finger. It worked great, and it claims that it does not crease. And I have a lot of lines in my eyelid to be able to test that out, and I am seriously not seeing any creasing, so that's awesome. I really do think this is a beautiful quality eyeshadow. I think it's a beautiful color. $29 is definitely pricey, but at least it does seem like a very high quality eyeshadow in my opinion. It's such a beautiful quality that I would love to have this in other shades, but I just don't think I personally would pay $29 for one single eyeshadow. But I wonder if Makiage makes eyeshadow palettes. If you know of any, or if you have tried of any, let me know if you have any Makiage eyeshadow palette recommendations in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.